Hi, guys. I have a few important things to tell you for this week. First of all, I had planned to do Zoom meetings tomorrow, but I've had to cancel those because we have a faculty meeting tomorrow where I think we're going to get some important information for what I can tell you moving forward. So instead, here is what I'm going to do. Rather than have Zoom meetings during our regular class time tomorrow, I'm going to do a Zoom meeting at 2:30 in the afternoon on Wednesday for questions only. So it is optional. You only need to dial into the meeting if you have any questions that you would like to ask me in person. Second of all, this is a change too. The way that the district is going to take attendance every day moving forward is through Canvas, because in Canvas they can see when you log in. So every day I need for you to go to Canvas, and then when you click on the link for the page for my class, you're going to see basically a link that takes you to Google Classroom. So we're still going to work in Google Classroom, but I need you to go through Canvas first. If you have questions about how to do this, then send me an email and I'll be happy to help you. Third, lessons for this week. So I put in a couple of tricky lessons. Some of them are just for fun to see if you can solve the puzzles, but the ones that I really want you to focus on this week are the Butter Battle book, watch the cartoon, think about how it relates to the Cold War, and then complete that last drag and drop slide before you turn it in. Second, work on those IXL lessons. I know you guys have probably been getting a lot of IXL lately, but those are a good review of some stuff that we talked about earlier in the year. As always, if you guys have any questions for me at all, please email me and I'll be more than happy to help you. I miss your faces. And remember, clear eyes, full hearts.